Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to Tamisha. Hey girl, thank you so much for checking out my video. You were the first to comment and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So today we're going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial walkthrough video and I'm going to be showing you guys something really cool. I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn press-on nails into polygel. So before we begin, we're going to start with our prep. Prep is the same as always. As you see right here, I'm just getting all of the dirt and gunk from underneath my nails out. And then I'm going to be using this cuticle softener. I got this from Sally's, but this same exact softener is cheaper on Amazon and the link will be down below. So this dropper I use from a skincare bottle. I upcycled it. It's from an old skincare bottle. And I just use that because the bottle is huge and it doesn't come with a dropper. So you're going to let that sit on your nails for about 2 minutes. And then you'll go in with a tool like this. And you just want to push your cuticles back off of your nail beds. You want to make sure that you're following this prep and that you push your cuticles off of your nail beds. Because if you don't, then the polygel won't stick to your nails. A lot of people have problems with polygel, saying that it doesn't stick or their polygel is always lifting, and most of the times that can be routed back to your prep routine. Prep is very important. If you don't do it right, then your nails will not stick. Also, sorry if my voice sounds so groggy. I'm kind of feeling under the weather, so I apologize in advance for that. But yeah, I'm just going in and really making sure that those cuticles are off of my nail beds. So now I'm going to go in with my Melody Susie drill. I love this drill. I purchased this off of Amazon as well. And I'm going to go in with this on the lowest speed and start buffing my nail beds. And you want to put some scratches in your nail beds because it allows the polygel something to adhere to. So this is also another important step. If you do not have a nail file, you could easily just go in with an emery board, as you can see in this clip. So getting an e-file isn't completely necessary. It's good to have, and actually in this video you probably should have it because we're going to pull it back out again. But yeah, you can also use an emery board if you don't have an e-file for your prep routine. So now I'm going to go in with a nail dehydrator. I purchased this dehydrator off of Amazon. Another thing about prep is that all products are not created equally. So one product may work on me, but this product may not work on you. So it's all trial and error, and a lot of people don't want to hear this, but they'll say, like, I did the whole prep routine, I dehydrated my nails, I did primer, I did a base coat, but it's still not sticking for me. You might have to switch up your base coat, or you might have to switch up your primer, you might have to switch up your dehydrator. It all depends. But a tip I can say is that usually when you use the same system, they all work cohesively together. So using the same primer and base coat or dehydrator, using the same brand usually gives you optimal performance. So like you can see here, I use all 3 different brands. I just know that this works for me. So you just test it out, play with different base coats, dehydrators, and see what works best for you. So I actually purchased these fake press-on nails from TJ Maxx. They were $5 and they're really handy. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in and I'm going to measure these press-on nails to my actual nails. And then after I measure those, I'm going to go in with a Melody Susie, my Melody Susie drill. And I'm actually going to put some scratches inside of these because they are plastic. They are ABA plastic. They are not soft gel. So this is, like I said, going to allow the polygel to adhere better so your press-ons don't pop off. So now I'm going to go in with this light apricot Model 1's polygel. And for my slip solution, I'm going to be using pure alcohol. This is 70% alcohol. And all I'm going to do is apply a small amount of polygel in here. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure it's fully covering the nails. Apply it to my nails and cure. It's super simple, super easy. So yeah, I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe off my nails because polygel can leave a sticky residue. And then I'm going to go in with a nail file and just shape those nails up. I'm going to be going in with a MAKARRT clear top coat. I love this top coat by MAKARRT. And I do have a discount code to save you guys 15% off. All information will be down below in the description. After I cure that, I'm going to go ahead and put some cuticle oil on. This is very important. You don't want to forget your cuticle oil because, like I say in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are ashy and dry and crusty, your nails are not cute. So don't forget this step. But voila, here are the final results. Super quick and super easy. Honestly, this probably takes me about 15-20 minutes to do tops. So this is a nice quick polygel set if you're in a hurry and you need your nails done. I love doing this method. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. We are almost at 8K. Cannot believe it. Thank you guys so much. If you signed up for my email list, I'm going to leave another link to that down below in the description box. And I'll be sending out like a welcome email and having a giveaway pretty soon. But yeah, today is Thursday, and that means that I will see you guys on Monday. All right, have a great day and have a great weekend. See you.